The Malacanang expressed support for the ongoing police operations against Apollo Quiboloy, the leader of Kingdom of Jesus Christ or KOJC. Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin emphasized that the law must be followed and upheld regarding Quiboloy's continued evasion. On Saturday morning, the Philippine National Police or PNP raided the compound of KOJC in Davao City, but they did not find Quiboloy. Following the operation, Vice President Sara Duterte released a statement condemning the police's actions, calling them unacceptable because they use excessive measures and force on ordinary Filipinos. Quiboloy, together with his 5 members, are facing charges of child abuse and human trafficking. Meanwhile, courts in Davao City and Pasig have issued arrest orders against them. EuroTV News is still trying to get a statement from Quiboloy's camp, but there has been no response so far. This is Faith Alves for EuroTV News.